In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Excel default save location. If Excel keeps trying to save your files somewhere you do not want, like a cloud folder or another default location, this quick setting change can make your workflow much easier. We'll go through the process inside the Excel desktop app so that new workbooks save to your computer by default instead. To begin, open the Excel app on your desktop. Make sure you are using the desktop version of Excel, since that is where this setting is managed. Once Excel is open, you can stay on the start screen or open any workbook, because the option we need is available from the main program settings. Next, look to the top left corner of the Excel window and click File. This opens the Backstage view, which is where Excel keeps many of its core settings and account-related options. If you are new to Excel, this area is useful anytime you need to adjust how the program behaves, rather than editing something inside a spreadsheet itself. From the File menu, go down to the bottom left corner and click Options. This opens the Excel Options window. Think of this as the control center for Excel preferences, where you can customize everything from formulas and proofing to save behavior. In the Excel Options window, click Save. This section contains the settings that control how and where your files are saved. It is especially helpful if you regularly work with local files and want to avoid manually changing the location every time you save a workbook. Now, find the setting labeled Save to Computer by default and make sure it is checked. Enabling this tells Excel to prefer saving files to your computer instead of defaulting to an online location. This can save time and reduce confusion, especially if you are working offline, organizing files in local folders, or simply to prefer managing your documents directly on your device. Once that box is checked, click OK to apply the change and close the options window. Excel will now use that updated save preference going forward. That's all it takes to change the Excel default save location. If you want to confirm the setting worked, try creating a new workbook and use Save or Save as to see whether Excel now points to your computer first. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your files organized and making your daily work a little smoother.